Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube video in tribute to LazyArchitecto. This is a collection of LazyArchitecto's old tool palette macros that work on AutoCAD 2007 regular. Let's go over them really quickly. There's zoom close, which zooms about 95% and zooms in, and then so if you're far away you can go back and zoom in again. There's zooms, then there's save and close, where you can automatically save and then close the program without you having to wait the whole time. Then there's select all text, which selects all the text. Then finally there's a wall builder, which lets you build walls really quickly. That's pretty cool. So without further ado, let's go. Let's go to the first one right. Zoom close. Okay, let's give one moment. Let's copy. Let's paste. Let's rename it. Zoom close. And let it go to properties. Change this and paste we had in the Word document again. Copy. Okay. Just give an example. Here's a circle. You want to zoom close to it. Zoom close. And zooms in and goes close to it. That's the first part. Next one is save and close. Let's try it again. It saves and closes the drawing. Let's copy and paste it. Let's do copy, paste. Let's rename it. Close and save. Okay, let's close, save. Click on that one. Okay. What did we forget? We forgot to change the code, obviously. Copy. Paste. Okay. Let's say close and save. And it closed it and saved it. Now let's go to the next code. Select all text. Happily, we have that program with us still. Select all text. That's this one. That's the code, as said before. Let's just give an example. An example. Type some text here. Let's just type in regular text as well. Let's just do it like this. And let's try to select it. And we just hit SAT, select all text, and selects everything as you see. Now, last but not least is the wall builder. So first we need to make an MLStyle and call it 5 inches x tall x wall. That's part of the code as well. Let's go back to here. MLStyle. Let's create a new one. Name's going to be there. Continue. And we're going to make it offset 2.5. Negative 2.5. Start. End. Hit OK. Hit OK. Now we're going to build a wall around this circle, pink wall, you'll see. Now we have to create another tool palette. Copy. I'm going to rename this 5 inches. Sorry about that, guys. And we're going to go back to properties. And then we're going to go here again. Copy this. Control C. Control V. Hit OK. Now we're going to do something cool. We're going to hit 5 inches. I'm going to start drawing pink wall. You hold shift to make it an ortho mode. Alright. Is in tribute to LazyArchitecto. Got his YouTube channel hacked not too long ago. Hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm David Bennett, and be sure to visit LazyArchitecto's YouTube videos as well. Alright, thank you. Take care.